Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself Vinod Trivedi. Today we are going to discuss in grammar section fill-ups of the verb form. Fill in the gaps with appropriate form of verbs given in the bracket. Okay, by using the rule of tenses, we have to put proper verb form in the blanks. Okay, while solving the exercise of tenses, otherwise related grammar, you have to prepare all the rules of the tenses and some others also. So one by one we are going to discuss. Let us start with first one. The teachers dash all the grammar topics before the examination began. Okay, and in bracket revise is given. What is given, dear students? Revise. So sometime you will not have any time adverb. Okay, suppose if you have a any time adverb, yesterday, last day, always, then by seeing this time adverb you can identify the tense. But suppose if you do not have, because now you are in a higher standards, so suppose if you do not have any time adverb like this, so you have to focus on the sentence. Okay, just you see the teacher dash all the grammar topics before, what is given over here? Before the examination began. Okay, so now what will be over here? Had revised. Answer will be had revised. Okay, why this answer has come? Because in tenses already I have told, suppose if you have a two sentence, okay, one is in simple past tense, then the other sentence in other clause in sense you will have to use past perfect tense. So one is, you can say, begun is given. What is given? Begun. You have two verb. Okay, one begun. Begun is, okay, past form of begin. So now for another one you have to put past perfect tense. Okay, and as you know, what is the pattern of past perfect tense? Had plus V3. Okay, so what we have to utilize? Had, and then revise is given in bracket, so we have to put had revised. The teacher had revised all the grammar topics before the examination began. एग्जाम स्टार्ट होती है उसके पहले टीचर ने सारे जो ग्रामर के टॉपिक्स थे वो रिवाइज करवा दिए थे. तो आगे पर मैं आपको बताया कि कभी कभी आपको दो एक्शन देखने को मिलेगी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में. तो एक होगा सिंपल पास्ट, तो बाकी की जो ब्लैंक्स है, ओके, उसमें आप क्या यूज़ करोगे? पास्ट परफेक्ट. ओके, ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस दिस थिंग इन आवर टेंसेस. नाउ सेकंड वन, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, unless you work sincerely you dash not satisfaction. Okay, now unless you work sincerely, then what is this? Over here you can say one clause is regarding present tense, simple present tense. Unless you work sincerely, okay, then another second clause विल बी इन फ्यूचर टेंस. ओके, जब जब आपको ऐसा सेंटेंस देखने को मिले, ओके, आप मीनिंग से पता चलेगा. अनलेस यू वर्क सिंसियरली, अगर आप ध्यान से काम नहीं करोगे, सिंसियरिटी से काम नहीं करोगे, देन यू विल, व्हाट विल बी? यू विल नॉट गेट सेटिस्फेक्शन. ओके, यू विल नॉट गेट सेटिस्फेक्शन. गेट इज गिवन. ओके, गेट इज इन ब्रैकेट ऑलरेडी गिवन. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज वेरी इजी. वी डैश not TV since last June. Okay, since, what is given over here? Since. Okay, now, and what is in bracket? Watch. Okay, so we have not, okay, we have not watched, WATCHED, watched TV since last June. Okay, exact it is given. Okay, we have not seen, we have not watched TV since last June. Okay, फिक्स दिया है इसलिए since यूज हुआ. पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, So by this way, whenever you have a since and that kind of otherwise for for, then you have to think about present perfect tense. Okay, you do not keep this in your mind that whenever you have since then you can utilize this one, but you have to think the meaning of the sentence also. Okay, now next students, Nigam felt sorry for what he dash. Okay, so you can see Nigam felt sorry. So past tense. Then generally for what we feel sorry if anything is done wrong thing which is done by us. Okay, so what is needed over here? Nigam felt sorry, simple past tense. Okay, so remaining past perfect tense will be okay. So Nigam felt sorry for what he had done. Okay, do is given in bracket. So Nigam felt sorry for what he had done. Okay, so as I told before, okay, felt is simple past tense. So for remaining we put past perfect tense, had plus V3. Now next one. Okay, now number next, file number. Have you ever seen Mr. Shah dash on a violin? Okay, so have you ever seen Mr. Shah? Present participle will be used over here. Mr. Shah dash and play is given. What is given? Play. Okay, have you ever seen? So continuous. Okay, that thing is regarding continuous tense but not present continuous tense. Okay, only present participle will be used. Okay, so Mr. Shah playing. Have you ever seen Mr. Shah playing on violin like this way? Okay, उसका मतलब ये कभी आपने देखा है कि मिस्टर शाह को वायलिन बजाते हुए, उसका मीनिंग ये होता है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट, लिसन someone. It is very easy. Whenever you have listen, hear, see, that kind of things. Okay, what you supposed to use? Okay, ing form. Okay, so listen, someone, okay, is whispering. Okay, nothing else. Now next, 7 number students. Sarita wants, simple present tense. Okay, by saying that word, Sarita wants dash Baroda after her marriage. Okay, so Sarita wants to visit, infinitive. Okay, visit. Whenever you have to work, okay, you can either use ing form, otherwise what's the infinitive. So over here we will use infinitive. Sarita wants to visit Baroda after her marriage. Visit is given in bracket. Okay, so we have put to visit. Now next, this sky is cloudy. It dash to night. Okay, so up just to think, sky is cloudy. Okay, आकाश में बादल छाए हुए, तो क्या आ सकता है? बारिश. बट पॉसिबिलिटी. सो वेन एवर you are saying about possibility, what supposed to you use? May. Okay, so the sky is cloudy, it dash to night, and rain is given already in bracket. So it may rain. It may rain. Okay, number 9. Every year the festival of Diwali dash with great enthusiasm all over India celebrate. Simple present tense. Okay, but this is passive form. Okay, every year the festival of Diwali is celebrated. Is celebrated will be. Okay, वो खुद नहीं मतलब सेलिब्रेट हो जाता, हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. So it is in form of passive voice. Every year the festival of Diwali is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. Okay, number next, 10 number. Maulik dash with an accident and he is in hospital. Okay, so over here present tense, but before something happen. So what is there? Maulik, and what is given over here? Meet, in bracket meet is given, so we use past form over here because right now he is in hospital. So before something happened with him, Maulik met. Okay, Maulik has met. Okay, sorry, Maulik has met with an accident and he is in hospital. Student, already I have told in present perfect tense. Okay, what is the use of present perfect tense? The use of present perfect tense is the action is done in nearest past tense and the effect, okay, which is going on in present time. This is the use of present perfect tense. बराबर, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में क्या होता है? एक्शन तो पास्ट में ही हो जाती है पर उसकी इफेक्ट जो है वो प्रेजेंट में होती है. इसीलिए ऐसा नहीं हो, पास्ट बिल्कुल मतलब सिंपल पास्ट जैसा नहीं है कि उसका एक्सीडेंट मतलब 2 साल पहले मतलब हो गया और अभी वो हॉस्पिटल में, ऐसा नहीं है. पर ही हैज़ मेट एन एक्सीडेंट. ओके, उसको एक्सीडेंट हुआ था इसीलिए वो उसकी नियरेस्ट जो इफेक्ट है वो राइट नाउ ही इज़ इन हॉस्पिटल. Maulik has met with an accident and he is in hospital. Okay, so by this way we are going to put end of this video. Remaining I will send some WhatsApp exercise, PDF of exercise, so you have to write down in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day. Suppose if you have any question and query, you can send me message also. Okay, while correcting the while solving the exercise. Okay, I am sending some more sentence to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.